Hello, welcome to this weather update. It's almost 11 o'clock on September 16, 2019. And before we get to Hurricane Humberto, let's talk about the weather we had today. Kind of mix of sun and clouds, a little humid, temperatures in the mid-70s, pretty much is the rule on Long Island for the day. Got up to 77 degrees in Farmingdale, but it was a lot hotter, you know where, Tom's River, which was a lot hotter. They got into the mid-80s today. So we'll just take a look at that, compare that. Yep, 84 degrees there. So, yeah, it's brutal there. So let's take a look at Humberto right now on the, get the latest information on Humberto here. Hurricane Humberto. Maximum sustained winds are 90 miles an hour, and it's moving east-northeast at 8 miles an hour, and it may threaten Bermuda. So it may threaten Bermuda. So let's take a look at the public advisory here for Hurricane Humberto. As of 11 p.m., the center of Hurricane Humberto is located near 30.3 north, 75.1 west. Humberto is moving toward the east-northeast at 8 miles an hour, and this general motion is expected to continue with a gradual increase in forward speed. On this forecast track, the center of Humberto is expected to approach Bermuda Wednesday night. Maximum sustained winds are near 90 miles an hour with higher gusts. Some strengthening is forecast during the next 48 hours, and Humberto is forecast to become a major hurricane by Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 30 miles from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 150 miles from the center. The minimum central pressure from the Air Force Hurricane Hunter aircraft is 966 millibars, or 28.53 inches. So let's take a look at a satellite loop of Humberto right now. And you can see, it looks like it might be going through an eye wall replacement cycle, but you can see some really intense convection going on with this hurricane here. Really intense. Let's take a look at the MODIS satellite. We'll take a look at the MODIS satellite and also have a look at Humberto on here. And you can see looking pretty healthy outflow. This storm is going to be strengthening. So let's look at the models now and take a look and see where this storm is going to be going. You can see, fortunately, it does not bother us, but it does go and heads toward Bermuda and kind of just stays offshore, fortunately. We'll have to watch something else that might form later on. I'm not going to get too caught up in the long range in this outlook. Instead, we're just going to be looking at this week's weather, which is going to be fairly tranquil. And I'm going to start off with the skies because we're going to have plenty of sunshine once we get these clouds off to the south of us. You can see tomorrow a clear day. You can see a cloud shield for Humberto offshore. Maybe a few more clouds on Wednesday. Then Thursday should be clear, maybe some scattered high clouds. Friday, maybe a few clouds. Saturday, maybe a few clouds, but not really any really cloudy days here going right through next Monday. We'll look at the dew points, and you'll see the dew points will remain low. The dew points will be dropping. It's a little humid now, but they will be dropping. And dry air comes in for tomorrow. Beautiful day. Dew points in the low 40s. Very fall-like. Same thing for Wednesday. Dew points in the mid-40s. And dew points stay. And then maybe they drop a little bit more on Thursday. Northeast winds continuing. Friday, we see the winds back off a little bit, and then we start to see a little more humidity come into the picture, but nothing really terrible for the weekend as far as humidity goes. Let's look at the temperatures. And looking at the temperatures, you will see that we're going to be nice and cool tomorrow. Highs only in the mid-70s, and then even a little cooler on Wednesday, maybe only upper 60s. And for Thursday, maybe only low 70s. Then things warm up a little more toward Friday, upper 70s, maybe 80 degrees. And for the weekend, yeah, we're going to be above normal with highs in the mid-80s. But hopefully not too humid as we deal with that. But as far as precipitation goes, I don't think we'll be seeing any. So we're going to be bone dry. I'll look at the radar, the estimated precipitation, and I don't think we're going to see anything. Maybe there's a chance maybe Wednesday afternoon that maybe a couple showers could affect the area just from some instability. But other than that, it stays relatively dry. We have really nice weather throughout this whole week, so you can enjoy it and be glad that Humberto is staying offshore where it belongs, but we're going to have to watch for Bermuda. So that will conclude this weather update. Thank you for watching.